decided to make it for with what?
Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today's video is a bit different. I'm doing a bold Zoro inspired makeup look. Something mysterious and dramatic. Finally, we decided to create an exciting video. What are you doing here, makeup? We will see if she can laugh after that or not. Let's make this look dangerous. Dangerous? It's just makeup look. Exactly. Let's cause a little chaos on your little face. Oh great, that's what my face needed. Chaos. So I'm starting with a tape to have a pattern. Why don't you use glue instead? Glue on my eyebrows. Thanks for the advice. I can't believe I'm arguing with you. It's okay now? I don't think so. I prefer to don't trim this part because it sticks to my hair. You can just trim your hair, my dear. Are you afraid? I can't breathe. My nose. Why couldn't I make her eyebrows bald? Unfortunately. So, which Zoro have you been inspired with? The legendary Zoro or the One Piece Zoro? One Piece? It's so familiar to me. Where have I heard this? Are you kidding me? Is there anyone exist in the world who doesn't know One Piece? Now you blended with a damn beauty blender. It's a ghost inspired makeup, that's all. Guys, don't listen to her. You should use white under base or wear light concealer if you want to use colorful eyeshadows. If you're getting tired, I can continue your makeup. My nose is itching, don't bother me. Now it's time to apply eyeshadows on it. I start with navy blue. The next color is green. Maybe I should change my brush to prevent any problem. I apply my green here. I want more green. It's not green enough. Maybe I should use another green. It's green enough. And the next shade is yellow. I apply it here. My yellow is very yellow. I don't like my yellow. And the last shade is red. Red on my nose. Demon, where are you? What are you doing? I saw that your foundation is empty. So I decided to make it for you. With what? Can you just stay here with me? I can do my work myself. Thank you. You will never appreciate my efforts. If she hadn't noticed my absence, I could have caused the double trouble for her. Okay, eyeliner. Sleek, sharp, and not too crazy. Zoro had a sword, you can handle a ball loving. I supposed to create Zoro's mask-inspired look. Not his sword. Don't you think you forgot something? I don't know. Like what? Glitter forgetful. Oh, my favorite. How could I forget that? Can you see it? Glitter is my favorite forever. My eye. I have glitter in it. If I wasn't here, who would help you with these things? Now it's time to do my eyeliner. This is my favorite part. One wrong move can ruin your eyeliner. Adrina, I always had this question in my mind.
2,152 times 3,542 equals?
Don't disturb me.
124 times 2,536 equals?
I don't want to hear you. So I'm done with this. I told you to use glue, not this tape.
And this one. It really helps. Don't do this one. Oh, yes.
I'm done with this. This is so beautiful, but my glitter in my nose is too much. Now I want to apply some foundation on my face. What is this blue? What is this red? Oh my god. Now I blend it with dark beauty blender. There's no area for my contour, so I don't do it. But I will apply my blush. You can apply blue blush on your face. I usually apply my blush over than this, but I have to. So this is my final look. I hope you have enjoyed this video. You look very ugly. You are ugly at me. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave comments for me. Don't do any of them. Don't listen to her. Bye bye, have fun.